12 years since its inception, this Emmy and Golden Globe winning crime drama continues to be a benchmark for TV shows. Vince Gilligan's Breaking Bad is one of the most critically acclaimed TV series of all time. Here are 7 reasons why Gilligan's masterpiece is hailed as the greatest show ever. Number 1. The characters and their build-up. Breaking Bad is in a league of its own. Vince Gilligan, the show creator, made sure that the characters he created grew as the series progressed. Every character from Walter White, aka Heisenberg, played by Bryan Cranston, to Walter White Jr., played by R.J. Mitte, has had an amazing development. We see Walter White as a protagonist when the series begins, a high school chemistry teacher turned a drug lord, and as the show progresses, he slowly turns into an antagonist that we still love. Jesse Pinkman similarly is an ordinary drug addict who is also Walter's former student. But as the show progresses, his character turns into this sympathetic drug dealer who is filled with guilt and remorse for everything he has done. Other characters like Hank Schrader, played by Dean Norris, Walter's brother-in-law and a DEA agent, and Skyler White, played by Anna Gunn, Walter's wife, also turn into characters people connect to very easily. Saul Goodman, played by Bob Odenkirk, is also one of the most impressive and iconic characters in television history. Bob Odenkirk's character of a crooked strip mall lawyer was so good that it got a spin-off of its own called Better Call Saul. Gustavo Gus Fring, played by Giancarlo Esposito, has to be one of the best TV villains ever, playing such a huge character with so much ease. Gilligan was a writer and a creator of the characters, definitely worked a lot and focused on the tiniest of the details, and his hard work absolutely pays off. Because when it comes to Breaking Bad, it is not just the main characters that are seen evolving and transforming along the way, even the smallest of the characters have done just. Number 2. Writing and consistency. Breaking Bad's writing is brutally honest and maintains a steady level of consistency throughout its 62 episodes. The story is carefully woven right from the first episode to the last. Whether it was the plotline, the build-up of the characters, or the storytelling, every aspect was spot on. It takes time to set up every point carefully so that the viewer never loses track of why a certain event was happening. It does have elements of surprise which catch the viewer off guard. The writing also balances out plot points we see coming from a distance. The slow build-up to a plot-twisting revelation is done in a very subtle manner which keeps the viewers on edge throughout the sequence. And every season and episode remains as consistent as possible. Number 3. The relationship between Walter White and Jesse Pinkman. Bryan Cranston as Walter White and Aaron Paul as Jesse Pinkman are two of the most iconic television duo, and it is proved by the amazing chemistry both of the actors have on screen. Walter is Jesse's former high school teacher who is one of the very few people who was good to him in school. But after school, he ruined his life and relationships due to his drug abuse and dealings. When Walter discovers that he has cancer, he quits teaching and looks for an alternate career that can bring in enough money to provide for his family. He then taps Jesse and the two of them start cooking meth. Jesse respects Walter, whom he calls Mr. White, and Walter too has a deep love and empathy for Pinkman. Over the course of time, the relationship between the former teacher and student builds into something that is rather complex to understand. It grows bitter for a lot of things they have done to each other, especially Walter. Yet they both have so much love and respect for one another deep down. Number 4. Knowing when to stop. American TV shows have a tendency to stretch their story for an unnecessary number of seasons. Not only seasons, but the shows also produce a huge number of episodes just for one single season. Breaking Bad does not make that mistake. It wraps up its entire story within 5 short seasons with 13 episodes each, bar the debut season which had 7 and the final season which had 16. Within 62 episodes, it leaves the viewers with cliffhangers and jaw-dropping memorable moments which other shows have scarcely been able to attain. Number 5. So many epic moments throughout the whole series. Breaking Bad, from the moment it aired on January 20, 2008 till its very last episode on September 29, 2013, was filled with so many great moments.
This is not meth.
Output, we're off. We're 0.14% off.
Exactly what kind of contaminant are we dealing with here?
The money, Skylar. Where is the rest? Skylar, where is the money?
I gave it to Ted.
Number 6. Attention to detail. Breaking Bad is a show with amazing showrunners. It depicts science and the world of drug empires accurately. At times, it was so accurate that you can learn stuff by watching the show. The showrunners roped in advisors from universities to get the process of making methamphetamine depicted as accurately as possible, while taking notes to omit crucial steps which might help the viewers gain some knowledge of making. Number 7. The best finale one could hope for. A number of shows earn so much critical acclaim during their initial seasons that they just tend to ride on that success and forget about delivering a satisfying conclusion that fans seek. Breaking Bad not only delivers a powerful ultimate episode, but also delivers equally amazing anti-penultimate and penultimate episodes. Its anti-penultimate episode, Ozymandias, is regarded as the greatest episode in TV history and has won multiple Emmy Awards. The final episode, Felina, is again widely hailed as the greatest conclusion to any TV series ever. From when he's sitting in a bar watching the news and laying dead on the lab ground and everything in between. Every moment builds up so much tension as well as excitement inside the viewers. So that's the video, guys. Please do let me know your views regarding this video in the comment section. Do subscribe our channel and to be notified whenever I post a video, do hit the bell icon. Until then, stay home, stay safe.